Hello learner, welcome to Manifested Online Classes. My name is James Kenyani. We are yet again going to proceed with our topic on further logarithms. And in today's lesson, we are going to look at solutions to logarithmic equations. Solutions to logarithmic equations. Solutions, the lesson is solutions to logarithmic equations. So there is the obvious objective. This is to make the learner to get the necessary skills to solve logarithmic equations. So the main objective is to enable the learner to solve logarithmic equations. And in this lesson, we are going to look at an example and work it as we get to know the skills. So learner, that is the logarithmic equation. But there is something amazing. This side doesn't have the log. So what do you do? In questions where the base is not given, assume that the base is 10. So you'll know that in cases where the base is not given, assume that the base is 10. Always assume that the base is 10. I'm doing that because of that one. Let's look at these. Let's look at this, learner. If I have 10 raised to 1 is equal to 10. If I have 10 raised to 2 is equal to 100. If I have 10 raised to 3, that will give you 1,000. That is in index notation. But if I want to write in terms of base 10, I can write the first one. That is 1, 2, and 3. In 1, I can write this one. I can write it at the log base 10, the log of 10 to the base 10. The log of 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. The second one the same. The log of 10, the log of 100 to the base 10 is 2. And the third one, log to the base 10, 1,000, is 3. So I've actually found what to put here. This is 1 is equal to log 10. So you find here 1 is equal to log 10. So where we have 1, I'll substitute it with log 10. So I'm assuming that all of these are to the base 10. Because I've told you in cases where the base is not given, assume that the base is 10. The base is 10. So this can be written as log base 10, 7x plus 2, subtract log to the base 10, x minus 1 is equal to the log to the base 10, 10. You've got it from where? I've got it from there. Since the logarithm, since the base 10, since the bases are the same, since bases are the same, I have the bases, they are the same, isn't it? So I can write log 7x plus 2 subtract log x minus 1 is equal to log 10 raised to 10. This will be the same as log 7x. So that the bases will not be there because they are the same. When we have logarithms, what happens? You divide. So this is the same as log. This will be the same as log. If you have subtraction, it will be the same as log 7x plus 2 over x minus 1 is equal to log 10. Log 10. You can do away with the log because it is common. The log is common. So you'll come and have 7x for space. Continuation, 7x plus 2 over x minus 1 over x minus 1 is equal to 10. So from there you cross multiply. So you'll have 7x plus 2 is equals to 10x minus 10. Bring the like terms together. You'll get 7x minus 10x is equal to minus 10 minus 2. You'll get minus 3x is equal to minus 12. So the value of x, learner, the value of x will be minus 12 divided by minus 3, and the value of x is 4. The value of x is 4. We move to the second example. Solve example D. So you note what I've told you. When you see 2, if this was 2, what will I put there? If this was 2, I'll put there 100. If this was 3, I'll put there 1,000. So sorry, this is 1,000. I'll put there 1,000. So where the bases are not given, you assume that the base is 10. The base is 10. In example D, we are told solve 2 raised to x is equal to 5. 2 raised to x is equal to 5. So where the logs are not given, you'll assume like in the first case. This can be written as is the same as log 2x log 2 raised to x is equals to log 5. Here the base is assumed to be 10. The base is assumed assumed to be 10. So there is the laws of logarithms. When we have that, you'll say but log 2 raised to x is the same as x log 2. Laws of indices, we learned in the earlier lesson. So you'll come and have x log 2 is equal to log 5. X log 2 is equal to log 5. So you'll come and have x is equal to log 5 over log 2. Now, since the base is not given, I said you assume the base is 10. In your mathematical tables, log of 5 to the base 10 is 0.6990, and log of 2 to the base 10 is 0.3010, 0.3010, 0.3010. If we work out these, the value of x will be 2.322. 2.322. That is how we work out that. We can look at one more example. We can call it example C. So because of space, let's just use a visible area. Let it be visible. So note what we've got there is very important. Very important. Look at example E, solve. Example solve. The third log 3x plus 4 is equal to log x minus 2 plus 3 log 2. 3 log 2. So as usual, like this one, we assume the log is 10. So you'd like the log only to remain on the left hand side. So you can come and say, but 3 log 2 is equal to log 2 cubed. You take 3 there. The laws of indices we proved in the other lesson. This is the same as that. So therefore, log 3x plus 4 will be equal to log x minus 2 plus log 2 cubed, which is 8. 2 cubed is 8. You can write there 2 cubed the way you want. 2 cubed. Therefore, log, you come and say log 3x is equal to laws of logarithms. If you have division, what will you do? You multiply. So it will be 8x minus 2 times a big bracket x minus 2 times 8. This 2 cubed will come to 8. Close bracket. Close bracket. So this will be 3x plus 4. Sorry. So when you reach here, you can do away with the logs because they are common. They are common. So you'll come and say 3x plus 4 is equal to, open brackets, 8x minus 16. You can want to balance the like terms. Huh? So when this one comes this side, it will be 3x minus 8x is equal to minus 16 minus 4. Minus 16 minus 4. Let's create space. Minus 16 minus 4. So this will give minus 5x is equal to minus 20. So the value of x will be minus 20 over minus 5, and that gives us 4. So that is how we solve these. So there's something I've told you. When you see 3, that is logarithm of 10, logarithm of 1,000 to the base 3. So you always substitute and continue with the same base. So with that, look also at D. What happened? I assumed they are all to the base 10. And realize where we have these, but log 2 raised to x is the same as x log 2. That enables me to get x easily. So in the assignment, so those are the assignments. 1 log into brackets 3y minus 1 is log 2y plus 1 subtract log 4. 2 log 3x minus 5 is equal to 2 log 5 subtract 1. You check what you put there. You need to substitute this one with something. We did it in that assignment where we substituted this with the log 10. Because log of 10 to the base 10 is 1. 3. Log base 10, 10y plus 5, subtract log to the base 10y minus 4 is 2. So here they have brought it out. So these 2 should be written in form of log base 10 is equals to something. Here it was, we got it was log base 10, 10. So this is like log 10. So you'll have to change that. Come to 4. Log base 10, 9x plus 1 is 2. Log base 10, 8x cubed is 3. 6 log x minus 1 plus log x is equal to log 20. 7, 2 log x is equal to log x plus 6. So learner, go work out the solutions to those logarithmic equations, and let's meet in the next lesson. Bye-bye.